Yo, bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, uh, back to my channel and investigation. In my field IT in second, six. This is EIGRP Redistribute RIP, and then I will comment with the Redistribute SPF. I think this is simple. But before that, we're gonna do like explaining what that is distribute European OSPF. This is some making that routing protocol or but different with the connection, and that's with the RIP and OSPF is the different of routing protocol. You know, just like there's some distance factor or blah 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 blah, yeah, like that. I forget it. And then he will not be commented or mixed it because of what? There's the different operating protocol. And for this redistribute, it's like makes it that protocol uh, a difference for the connection. Uh, Even that is different of the routing protocol. I think like the one router is there is some routing protocol, another routing protocol. Like R1 have the routing protocol EIGRP and RLP, and then the R2 have EIGRP, OSPF, and then R3 EIGRP BGP, like that. Okay, let's go. Go to the what? Sorry. Event start the router. Ah yeah, we still use the topology. That's before. That's before. Okay, waiting for that. Okay, enable configuration terminal and enable. Yeah, enable configuration terminal. Yeah, enable configuration terminal. Okay, and next I think is the authentication. Do show run. Just like before, we adding some authentication in the router. This one, this one. But the keychain, I think you can, don't delete it. Just the IP authentication mode, EIGRP to MD5, 10 MD5. Okay. ENT interface, error 00, error. Then IP authentication, and then mod EIGRP 10 MD5. Hey, no, disable eh, not enable. No IP authentication, and then keychain, EIGRP. EIGRP, then 10 EIGRP, EGRP. Okay, then exit do show run. and I do it checking that it's disabled. Yeah. Now go to router 2 and then interface error 0/0 and interface error 0/0. No IP authentication authentication mod ERP 10 MD5. No IP authentication keychain EIGRP 10 EIGRP. Okay. Do show run. Okay. Okay, done. Now, uh, I think about adding the Apple back, the new Apple back. The first, go back one, in the router one, yeah. Forget. IP add, IP address, then 100, 100, 100, 100, 200, 200, 200, 100, 200, 155, 155, 155, 155, and then exit router RIP. Okay, enter version field 2 network 100, 200, 200, 200, then network 111, and then no auto summary. Yeah. Uh, Before we have this one. What is the RIP version 2 and version 1? I think it's that different. It's just like the first one is the old of the version, and the version 2 is the new or the updating that the RIP. And for the further feature, and then other like that is the different. Actually, now get the router 2. Oh yeah, don't forget to redistribute router EIGRP 10. Redistribute RIP. Okay, exit. Yes, it. And then this show IP root EIGRP in what in router 3. Do show IP root EIGRP. Okay. Uh, as you can see, in you can see there is now the network of 100, 100, 200, 200, 200, 200. It is not all as because there is not setting of metric in EIGRP router 1. Okay, we're gonna do setting IP, setting metrics, router EIGRP 10, then RIP redistribute, RIP metric, redistribute, RIP metric. Okay, with enter. Yeah, we did not the enter it because we're gonna do there's some bandwidth delay, reliability, effective, and then what the MTU, and then the last is the last is MTU. Okay, metric 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then yeah, forget it. That's the 10 or the S number of that. Okay. Now the show appeared EIGRP. Exit. Oh, there maybe he always show that there are thirty, like dx. Dx is the EIGRP external. I think that's some error. Okay. Uh, sorry guys, there's no scan or erroring of that my project. Okay, maybe that's all for me. I'm sorry if there was mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye guys in the next video. Bye.